Is your ONN randomly crashing? Don't panic. This guide will help you get back to streaming again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your home for simple, effective tech fixes. Today, we will show you what to do when ONN keeps crashing. We will walk you through step-by-step solutions to get it back to normal fast. Method 1. Check the power source. When ONN keeps crashing, ensure that the device is plugged directly into a power source and you are not using a surge protector. Use the power cable and adapter that came with your ONN rather than plugging it into a USB port on your TV or other device, which might not provide enough power. Also, check the power outlet is not faulty. You can connect the device to some other power source and check if it is working there. Method 2. Check the HDMI connection. The next thing you can do is check the HDMI connection between the device and your TV or the monitor you are using. Ensure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to the ONN device and the TV or monitor's HDMI port, as a loose connection can lead to issues like this. Look over the HDMI cable for any visible signs of wear and tear such as fraying, kinks or bends. If you find any damage, consider replacing the cable with a new one. You can also try to connect the ONN device to another TV or monitor and check if that helps. Method 3. Check the internet connection. Next, ensure your ONN device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can connect another device to the same internet and check the internet speed from speedtest.net. You can restart the router or modem you are using. You can also contact your service provider if necessary. You can restart the ONN device and the router. Method 4. Hard reset the device. If the methods shown above couldn't fix the issue, reset the ONN device. To reset the ONN device, make sure it is plugged into a power source. Find the small reset button on the ONN device. It's typically located near the HDMI port or on the back of the device. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. While still holding the reset button, unplug the device from the power source. Continue holding the reset button for another 10 seconds. Still holding the reset button, plug the device back into the power source. Release the reset button when the recovery menu appears on the screen. Use the reset button to scroll through the options. You need to use the reset button for scrolling. When you reach the wipe data and factory reset option, press and hold the reset button to select it. From the next menu, select the factory data reset option again using the reset button. Wait till the process completes. Once the wiping process completes, select the Reboot System Now option. Once the streaming device restarts, you will be brought back to the setup page. Now set up your device. Method 5. Check for interference. Ensure that the ONN device is not obstructed by any objects. Physical barriers between the ONN device and your TV can lead to these issues. Avoid placing the ONN device behind the TV or near any other electronic devices that may cause interference. Make sure you keep the ONN away from routers, microwaves, cordless phones, and other wireless devices. If possible, position your Wi-Fi router closer to the device to strengthen the signal. Method 6. Use the original power adapter. Always use the original power adapter and cable that came with your ONN device. Using third-party adapters can cause issues, including your ONN getting stuck in a boot loop. Also, check that the adapter is not damaged and is functioning properly to ensure stable performance. Method 7. Use Ethernet adapter. To enhance the performance of the ONN device, you can connect an Ethernet adapter. This wired connection ensures a consistent and reliable signal, reducing the chances for crashes. Method 8. Contact Google support. If your ONN still keeps crashing, then you can contact ONN support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's how to fix a ONN that keeps crashing. No more endless restarts. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes that actually work. Still having issues or found another solution? Share it in the comments. We read them all.